Good afternoon, the Honorable Mishaha, and good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we are going to explain about study case review from the journal titled Transparency of Local Government in Indonesia. And our group members are me, Keisha Justina, and my friend Anggun Cahyanti. And for the background, transparency is crucial in democratic governance, where accountability to the public is essential for enhancing transparency. This can be achieved through greater disclosure of budgetary and financial information. In Indonesia, the creation of regional financial statements represents a mean of financial management accountability, and the research on the transparency of local government in Indonesia delves into the evolving landscape of government accounting standards and practices. And the questions of problems are this. And the theoretical framework that are used in this journal are first, agency theory. Agency theory centers on the relationship between principals and agents. Second is institutional theory, focuses on how organizations adapt to their external social and institutional environments. Third is legitimacy theory, asserts that organizations, including local governments, strive to gain legitimacy in the eyes of society by adhering to social norms, values, and expectations. And next is discussion based on the questions of problems. The first one is the effect of local government size on transparency in Indonesia. The study's findings suggest that the size of local government, as measured by total assets owned by local governments, does not significantly impact the transparency of local governments in Indonesia. This implies that the assets held by local governments have not been fully utilized to promote financial and non-financial transparency. And the second is the impact of local financial report quality on transparency in Indonesia. The research findings suggest that the quality of local financial reports has a positive effect on the transparency of local governments in Indonesia. High quality financial reports verified through an audit opinions contribute positively to the transparency of local government's operations. And the third is the effect of local government response to regulations in transparency. The research findings indicate that the level of local government response to regulations does not have a positive effect on the transparency of local governments in Indonesia. And also several factors such as quality of financial report and the political environment were identified as significant contributors. The effect of local government response to regulation itself is not impact. And the fourth is the influence of political environment on local government transparency in Indonesia. The research findings suggest that the political environment of the local government positively influence the transparency of local governments in Indonesia.
Next, I'm going to explain about the analysis. The government needs to improve its accountability, therefore it needs an effective way that can overcome problems in effort to gain public trust in government performance. In the discussion in chapter 3, several factors related to transparency and research are discussed. The first result is that the size of local government, which is case is measured by the total asset owned by the local government, does not have a significant impact on local government. We can conclude that the influence of the number of assets owned by the local government is will not be able to make people believe optimally in the government performance. Next. And there are several principles in measure the good financial statement is complete, primary, timely, accessible, can be processed by machines, non-discriminatory, and no ownership. Next. Based on the analysis, it can be seen that the transparency has a very important role in carrying out accountability in a government. This role includes policy information, encourage system performance improvement, creating political vigilance as an information agreement mediator, and encouraging community participation and monitoring. The conclusion, an effective way to overcome problems in an effort to gain public trust in government performance is the transparency. Transparency provides an open opportunity to the public to be involved in monitoring and observing government administrative process, especially in decision making. Next. The critical evaluation, the limitation of sample. The second weakness is because of the focus on specific period. And the third problem is the challenge in measuring some research variables. That's the efficiency. The journal adopt a holistic approach by considering several factors that affect the transparency of local government. The research finding highlight factors that significantly affect the transparency of local government, and this journal emphasizes the importance of accountability and transparency in regional financial management. Recommendation, we have a few recommendations is incorporating a more detailed literature review, clearly define the research methodology used in the study, providing a more detailed discussion, and ensuring that the paper adheres to the relevant academic writing and citation standard. That's all we can explain to you guys. Thank you.